Hi, my name is Miss Warner. I'm a graduate of Pensacola Christian College, home of the Abeka book, which is a curriculum we use here at Colonial. Um, I taught third grade in New Jersey. That's where I started. And then God called me back to the sunny state of Florida, where I started teaching fourth here at Colonial and taught fourth for many years. In fact, I taught fourth to many of you. And then ever since last year, I've been teaching sixth grade ELA. And so that's what I'll be doing this year. The ELA subjects, English language arts, those are reading, spelling, those types of subjects. I'll also be teaching Bible to those of you that are here on property. So it'll be a great year. I look forward to meeting some of you for the first time and seeing some of you again, whether it's virtually or in person. It's going to be a great year. I look forward to answering your questions and clearing anything up on Wednesday night at 7:30. That's when we have our Q&A for sixth grade. So see you there, and I'll see you in person or virtually on the 24th. Okay, bye guys.